Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful wedding and makeup tutorial. Let's get started. First I'm going to be adding this oil by DHC Skincare into my hair. This is going to ensure that there's no flyaways and my hair is silky soft. Then brush it smooth. Make sure it's all the way through the ends of your hair. Then take a small piece right at the top of your head and begin twisting, adding sections as you go. Twist and add a section. Twist and add a section. Remember, you're working with 2 sections, not 3. Just keep twisting and adding sections, keeping your hands as close to your head as you possibly can. Keep adding sections until you reach the middle of the back of the nape of your neck. Then just twist all the way down to the end of your hair. Taking these beautiful pins by Damien Monzillo, they are very sturdy and won't fall out. They're great for thick, long hair. Start at the top and begin securing the pins. Then take the rest of your hair and wrap it all the way around, tucking the ends in. Then just pin until you're satisfied with the security. We're going to do the same thing on the next side. Just take 2 pieces and begin twisting. Then begin adding pieces as you go. Twist, add a piece. Twist, add a piece. Again, making sure your hands are close to your head as possible. This will ensure that your twists don't loosen up too much. Once you reach the nape of your neck, just twist all the way down to the end like we did on the other side. Then, again, twist towards your ear and go up and begin pinning. Pinning the first twist will help keep your hair secure all day long. Then just take the remaining hair and twist all the way around until you reach the end. Then just tuck the ends in and begin pinning again. And that's it. Now moving on to makeup. I'm gonna put these earrings in just to help my look come together. They're beautiful purple, remind me of a queen. I'm gonna take this Fenty Beauty primer that I've used almost all the way up and just put it in the areas that I need, mostly the center of the face where I have pores. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful foundation by Chanel Beauty and begin applying it with a brush. I like to apply it around my eyes first because I have a little bit of darkness at the corners. Then with my finger, I'm going to warm up the product and pat it in. This foundation will not crease at all or sit into lines. Now what I'm doing here is I'm taking the brush and just applying it to the areas that I need it. I want to get the areas that I need it first before I blend it out. So any red areas, I'm just applying it there first. This will ensure that you don't have really cakey makeup. Then just take your beauty blender and begin pouncing it around all over your face. Adding a little bit more with the brush. Around my lip I do have a few dark spots, and then on the sides of my face and around my temples. Then just take the beauty blender and bounce it around. This way your makeup will ensure that it looks like skin. Don't forget your eyelids and around your hairline. And your ears. You want to make sure your ears are the same color as your face and your neck. I'm going to go off of this beautiful, beautiful makeup look by Jaden_FA. Just brushing in my eyebrows. I'm going to take this Too Faced palette and begin with the purple. I'm going to take this purple shade and put it all over the eyelid and into the crease. I'm just doing it with a flat blending brush. Up into the crease. Pushing up on your bone. And into the inner corner and underneath the eyelid. Just begin applying until you're satisfied with the look. Apply it from the inner corner all the way out. Doing the same thing on the other side. Just so slowly and precisely apply the eyeshadow. In the inner corner and all over the eyelid to the outer corner. Pushing up into the crease of your eye, going back and forth. And in the outer corner and underneath the eye. Then just take a fluffy blending brush and blend out the edges so they're nice and seamless. Next I'm going to take this brown shade, this light brown, and just apply it underneath the eyes as well. So it doesn't look too purpley and just pulls the whole look together. Next I'm going to take this beautiful mascara by DHC Skincare. This is my favorite mascara. This is the easiest to get off at night. It won't smudge and it won't flake, but when you take it off at night, it's like little tubes around each eyelash, and it just slides right off when you apply water. It's the most incredible mascara I've ever used in my life, and I absolutely love it. Apply on the upper and bottom lashes. Next I'm going to take this CoverGirl lipstick. It's like a Hollywood red color. It's beautiful. And just to begin applying it straight from the bullet. Carefully carving out your cupid's bow. Then just tap it out and you're done with your makeup. I wanted to go ahead and add a little bit of highlighter, so I'm taking this Benefit highlighter. It's perfect, it's not too sparkly, it just makes your skin look very glowy. Just applying it to the high points of my face, like around the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose. Next I'm going to take this brush and use this Tarte Cosmetics blush. Apply it only to the apples of your cheeks. This will give you a flushed, young-faced look. Then take your beauty blender and bounce it around the blush. This will ensure that it looks completely seamless and like your own skin. And that's it for the makeup. Next, I'm going to take these pink pewter hairpins and just apply a finishing touch on my hairstyle. This is perfect for any wedding if you like a little bit more glam look on your eyes and lips for your wedding. And this updo would be absolutely perfect for any occasion. I hope you guys enjoyed my hair tutorial and makeup. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.